Get your idea for the 1-2 Startup Weekend on the 22nd of May from 2 to 6 PM. You'll be creating, visualising and prototyping your idea, and there'll be free drinks at the event as well. The event will start off with a brainstorm session, followed by 2 workshops to visualise and prototype your idea. So make sure you come to this event. Flatland and a 3D printer expert are also attending the event. You can sign up for this event using the Eventbrite link in the description of the video.